As the clocks at Castle Park Arts Centre in Frodsham, Cheshire ring out, our guys Andrew and Ryan have arrived on site to help. When storm damage left one of their beloved marquees in a bad way, we stepped in. The marquees have become a vital part of the venue, creating a welcoming space for live music, food and community events. We provided a no-cost replacement of the canopy and made the 90-minute trip to personally replace it, leaving it in perfect condition just in time for our lunch.
What kind of difference does the marquee make?
Oh, it makes a huge difference, especially since COVID, when we were all looking to get out and we couldn't go anywhere because of the enclosed spaces. And this was just a godsend to us. It was brilliant.
Oh gosh, I mean the fact that we've got a covered outdoor space means that pretty much almost all year round, we have live music at 11 o'clock. We have sort of our regular customers that are very loyal to us, the same faces every day. I mean, it's a real community hub, it means a lot to them. And we are literally out here all year round. It's just such a fabulous social space. We love it. Well, you can see the amount of space that we have under here and all the extra seating. If it wasn't undercover, we just wouldn't be able to use